A world on edge, from drones to deficits. Good evening and welcome. Tonight we bring you a world grappling with uncertainty, from escalating tensions in the Korean Peninsula to economic tremors shaking the foundations of global power. In Hong Kong, a technological revolution is underway. While closer to home, we separate fitness fact from fiction and uncover the hidden risks lurking in your medicine cabinet.
Skies over Seoul. Tension mounts in the DMZ. The demilitarized zone, a 160-mile scar across the Korean peninsula, is a tinderbox. This week, tensions flared once more as South Korea accused the North of violating its airspace with military drones. The South responded with warning shots and scrambled fighter jets, raising fears of an escalation that could spiral out of control. These incursions, while not uncommon, come at a time of heightened anxiety. North Korea has ramped up its missile tests in recent months, defying international condemnation. Experts warn that these provocations could be a prelude to a larger military action. The international community watches with bated breath, urging both sides to exercise restraint. The stakes are higher than ever, with the potential for miscalculation looming large. One wrong move could have devastating consequences for the region and the world. China's economic engine sputters. What's next for the dragon? For decades, China's economy has been a juggernaut, powering global growth with its insatiable appetite for raw materials and its massive manufacturing output. But now, cracks are appearing in the facade. Growth is slowing, weighed down by a property bubble on the verge of collapse and a global economic slowdown. Official figures paint a worrying picture. Retail sales have slumped, and factory output has contracted. The once booming property market, a key driver of the Chinese economy, is grappling with a liquidity crisis and mounting defaults. Experts warn that China's economic woes could have ripple effects across the globe. A slowdown in the world's second-largest economy would impact everything from commodity prices to global supply chains. The question on everyone's mind is whether China can engineer a soft landing or if a hard crash is inevitable.
Hong Kong's AI revolution transforming finance, one algorithm at a time. From the bustling trading floors to the gleaming skyscrapers, Hong Kong has always been a city on the cutting edge of finance. Its vibrant financial district is a testament to its status as a global financial hub. Now a new revolution is underway, powered by artificial intelligence. This technology is not just a trend, it's a transformative force reshaping the very fabric of financial operations. AI is transforming the financial landscape, from algorithmic trading to risk assessment and fraud detection. These advanced algorithms can process and analyze data at speeds and accuracies that were previously unimaginable. Hedge funds are using AI to analyze vast datasets, identifying patterns and making split-second trading decisions. This ability to quickly interpret complex datasets gives them a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of trading. Banks are deploying AI-powered chatbots to enhance customer service and streamline operations. These chatbots can handle a multitude of customer inquiries, providing quick and efficient responses around the clock. And regulators are exploring the use of AI to detect market manipulation and insider trading. By leveraging AI, they can monitor transactions in real time, identifying suspicious activities more effectively. This rapid adoption of AI is not without its critics. There are growing concerns about the implications of such widespread use of AI in finance. Concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and data privacy are fueling debate about the ethical implications of this technological leap. Critics argue that while AI can enhance efficiency, it also poses significant risks that need to be addressed. Yet one thing is certain: AI is here to stay, and its impact on Hong Kong's financial sector will be profound. As the city continues to embrace this technology, it will be crucial to balance innovation with ethical considerations to ensure a sustainable future for all.
Fitness fiction. Busting workout myths for peak performance. In the pursuit of peak physical fitness, we're bombarded with a dizzying array of advice, often contradictory and sometimes downright misleading. From social media influencers to well-meaning friends, everyone seems to have an opinion on the best way to get fit. Let's separate fact from fiction and debunk some common workout myths that could be hindering your progress. Understanding the truth behind these myths can help you optimize your workouts and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. First up, the myth of no pain, no gain. This old adage suggests that unless you're in pain, you're not working hard enough. While pushing your limits is crucial, exercising to the point of excruciating pain is counterproductive and can lead to injury. Pain is your body's way of signaling that something is wrong, and ignoring it can result in long-term damage. Listen to your body and prioritize proper form over extreme exertion. Proper technique not only prevents injuries, but also ensures that you're targeting the right muscle groups effectively. Next, the idea that you need to spend hours at the gym to see results. Many people believe that the longer they work out, the better their results will be. Short, high-intensity workouts can be just as effective as longer sessions, especially when time is a constraint. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a great example of how you can achieve significant results in a short amount of time. Focus on quality over quantity and prioritize consistency. Consistent, well-planned workouts are more beneficial than sporadic, lengthy sessions. It's about making fitness a regular part of your lifestyle. Finally, the myth of spot reduction. Many people believe that they can lose fat in specific areas by targeting those areas with certain exercises. Sadly, you can't target fat loss in specific areas by doing endless crunches or tricep extensions. Fat loss occurs throughout the body, and it's influenced by overall body composition and genetics. Fat loss occurs throughout the body, and a combination of diet and exercise is key to achieving a leaner physique. A balanced diet, rich in nutrients, combined with a comprehensive workout plan, is essential for overall fitness. So ditch the shortcuts and embrace a holistic approach to training and nutrition. By understanding and debunking these myths, you can create a more effective and sustainable fitness routine that leads to long-term success.
Hidden dangers in a pill. Navigating the supplement minefield. Vitamins, minerals, protein powders. The supplement aisle promises a quick fix for everything from boosting energy to enhancing performance. The allure of these products is undeniable, especially when they claim to offer a shortcut to better health. But behind the glossy marketing and bold claims lies a minefield of potential health risks. Many consumers are unaware of the hidden dangers lurking in these seemingly harmless pills and powders. Many supplements lack rigorous scientific backing, and their purported benefits are often overblown. The science behind these products is frequently shaky, with studies sometimes funded by the very companies that stand to profit from positive results. What's more, the supplement industry is loosely regulated, meaning that the ingredients listed on the label may not always match what's inside the bottle. This lack of oversight can lead to serious health risks for unsuspecting consumers. Contamination with heavy metals and other harmful substances is also a concern. Some supplements have been found to contain dangerous levels of contaminants, which can have severe health consequences over time. Take, for instance, energy drinks, often marketed towards athletes and students. These beverages are promoted as a quick way to boost energy and improve performance, but the reality is far more complex. These beverages are typically loaded with caffeine and sugar, leading to jitters, anxiety, and energy crashes. The high caffeine content can cause a range of side effects, from mild discomfort to serious health issues. Long-term consumption has been linked to heart problems, insomnia, and even addiction. The impact on sleep patterns and heart health can be particularly concerning, especially for young people who consume these drinks regularly. Before you pop that pill or down that protein shake, do your research. Understanding what you're putting into your body is crucial for maintaining your health and well-being. Consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine if you have any nutritional deficiencies and whether supplements are right for you. Professional guidance can help you make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Remember, there's no substitute for a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. These foundational elements of a healthy lifestyle are irreplaceable and should always be prioritized over quick fixes.
A world in flux. Challenges and opportunities on the horizon. From geopolitical hotspots to economic uncertainty and the rapid pace of technological advancement, our world is in a constant state of flux. The challenges we face are complex and interconnected, demanding innovative solutions and global cooperation. Yet, amidst these challenges lie opportunities for progress. By embracing innovation, promoting sustainability, and fostering dialogue, we can navigate the complexities of our time and build a brighter future for all.